How can cities and nuclear power coexist in the future? Liam Young, a director and a visionary in speculative architecture, will inspire students in the development of an architecture that can speak to future civilizations.
Hi, my name is Liam Young, and I am an artist and director, and I'm based here in Los Angeles. I'm interested in exploring new cultural relationships we might be forming to nuclear energy. All the scientists that we collaborate with when we build our imaginary worlds, they tell us that really, in order to transition from fossil fuels into renewables, we're going to rely on some degree of nuclear in the near future. Yet our cultural relationship to nuclear is based on fear.
How will we live next to power plants and radioactive materials? Tutored by Giulio Rigoni, associate at BIG, and supported by the Pistoletto Foundation, Yacademy's course in concept design for architecture invites students to examine the role of architecture in redefining the collective imaginary around nuclear power.
So for me, I think when I work with students, my goal is to make sure the student is able to develop his own ideas. So make sure that every student is able to find out what he has inside.
Students will explore the relationship between nuclear power and the human presence, molding new urban rituals and building shared narratives.
Of course, the consequence of this is that every building and every project has a different shape. We don't care necessarily about the shape when we design first. We care about, the behavior of the people and the flows of the people, how the people are engaged by that project.
Nuclear waste has a half-life of 100,000 years, but architecture has never worked in such geological timeframes. These are really key questions that we haven't wrestled with as designers. Yet, in thinking about who we are in the near future, we're going to really have to come to terms with what they might mean.